Meaning of genocide.
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 Genocide. Genocide refers to the deliberate and systematic destruction of an entire racial, ethnic, or religious group. It involves acts such as mass killings, torture, and forced displacement with the intent to eliminate a particular group from existence. The result of genocide is the physical, psychological, and cultural destruction of the targeted group. It leaves lasting scars on survivors and their descendants, as well as the wider society. Genocide is considered one of the most heinous crimes against humanity and is a violation of international law. Efforts are made to prevent and punish genocide through international treaties and tribunals.